Hey everyone, welcome into the Flippin' Hippos YouTube channel. I'm Star. Today is January 4th. This is the first haul video of 2023. I'm excited to show you guys. Before we get started, a little bit of housekeeping. If you're new here or you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. Help us feed a hungry hippo. Don't forget to hit the like button as you're listening. And join our Facebook group, Flippin' Hippos Reseller Pod. It's a really positive atmosphere. I've been hearing again another influx of folks saying that a lot of the groups on Facebook are negative and that people are mean and that you can get attacked for being new or asking new questions because there are no stupid questions. Doesn't happen in our group. It's a very positive atmosphere full of really great people. So join us over there and be a part of that community. And without further ado, we're going to jump into this haul. These are mostly jeans. So this is a tub. You can see it. It's just a tub of stuff Keith brought up for me. If you're not familiar with our processes, we go thrifting on Wednesdays and Sundays when it's 99-cent and half off days at the thrift stores around here. We buy a lot. We pack it in our trunk. And then all week during the workday, Keith does load after load of laundry. They're washed and dried and put into boxes. We do it everything right down there in the basement off of the laundry room. We have a table. Everything gets folded and organized into boxes, men's, women's, shirts, and then jeans. And then we have an area in our basement for unlisted inventory. Of course, we have all of our listed inventory organized in our inventory management system with the numbered bins and shelves with the plush and the remotes and such. But we have a whole area that we just put boxes of unlisted inventory, and then we bring up a box at a time to the office, which we photograph and get ready for listing. The reason we do stock up on so much inventory is because, one, we learned during shutdown, anything can happen and you can be left with no desk pile and having to scramble and be very creative to get inventory. But also because we do live in a state that can get very cold and have undrivable, icy, snowy roads in January and February. So we always like to stock up a little bit just in case we can't get out to go thrifting. We have some items to list and we have a backup of inventory. So Keith, he tries to pull, from the back as we pack the trunk when we source, and then he pulls and then he pushes. So it's kind of like what we thrifted first is being pulled out to be washed and dried first. And of course, any luxury bolo, really great brands, as we're folding them after the dryer, will get pulled up to the office first to get listed first. It's the bread and butter items that we pack away in the boxes. So this is the load he did yesterday, or the loads. There's a lot in here. But whatever laundry he did yesterday, he brought up for me to show you guys. There's some good brands in here. It's mostly jeans. Let's jump on in. These are Maybe jeans. So everything that we get mostly is 99 cents. And some of the stuff we get we'll buy at half off prices. Which I think all of this is 99 cents. I'll tell you if it's otherwise. Hollister jeans. These are really good bread and butter. A lot of people don't like Hollister. They'll tell you they're poop. They sell well for me. They sell quickly. So I sell them for $18 to $25, depending on the size and style. They're usually smaller sizes, and they'll ship first class, and they usually only take a couple weeks to sell. If I could turn 99 cents into like an $8 to $10 profit that quickly, I'm going to do it. This is a brand you want to be on the lookout for. This is Ernest Sewn. I really like this brand. I did pay full price for these, $4.99, I believe. So $5. These are men's. So I will be able to list them for a little bit more than I would women's. Roebuck. So I just got these because they were only 99 cents and I want to see. I haven't actually had a pair of these in probably 4 or 5 years. So I'll have to comp these to see what they're worth. They used to be worth a lot because the Roebuck and Company is like the old vintage Sears. So we'll see on that. These are jeans. No, these are more Ernest Sewn. So again, I paid $4.99. I don't think they knew what they had. Because usually brands like this, they'll mark up, especially at the Goodwill. These are button fly. So that was a good find. We've got more Hollister. We've got some scrub pants got in here, which is okay. Actually, these are Purple Label Yoga for healing hands. So I picked these up for 99 cents just to see. I believe I used to list these for about 20 or so. I haven't sourced them in a while, so I'll have to comp them. We've got Old Navy, Rockstar, Super Skinny High Rise. I do well with all Old Navy, but the Super Skinny usually does really good for me. I'll probably start those around 20. Chico's, So Slimming. So I don't source Chico's unless it's the So Lifting or the So Slimming. Those are shaping jeans, which you always want to keep an eye out for. Plus, these have bling. One of the blings is missing its bling. I'll just point that out in the description. I'll ask about 25 for those. Then we have Aeropostale. So this is another like mall brand that a lot of people pass over as poop. And I get 18 to 25, again, just like Hollister. Especially the small sizes and the leggings and jeggings. I do really well with the boyfriend jeans. They're a little more long-tailed than the Hollister. They take a little bit longer, but they do sell, and they ship first class usually because I pick up the smaller sizes. These are Gap legging jeans. These will start at 20. I always get asked 50 million times after a haul video, do you do shipping? Does this price include shipping? So yes, we do free shipping. So these Gap jeans that I'm going to list for 20, if you had Gap jeans, you would want to list them around 12 and charge $8 in shipping. We just added into the price and then offer the free shipping to our buyers. Gives you a free boost in searches. It's a psychological thing with buyers. I personally do support free shipping, but you got to do what works for you and your business model. Old Navy, $20. Aeropostale, $20. These are high-waisted ankle jeggings, so I'll probably start these around 20. These are Old Navy. These ones are Super Skinny High Rise, so those will start at 20. Stop me if I'm going too fast. That's funny because I'm not live. Dad jokes. Thump. American Eagle, $20. We've got another pair of these Purple Label Yoga. So yeah, I used to find these and get them for 99 cents a while back. So we'll see what happens when I comp them. And one of our balls. Have you guys ever seen these? We use these in the dryer. We have 4 of them. They're supposed to help keep wrinkles and static out and help things dry more quickly. We have 4 of them, and one of them or 2 of them always ends up with the laundry. So I always find them in every load I fold, even our clothes. Or like when we wash our bed clothes, it'll get into the fitted sheet and be stuck in there. So let's take that back downstairs. And the last pair is American Eagle. $20. And then you got to see. I don't like to use dryer sheets just because so many buyers can be sensitive to smells and such. So we just bought those because they're supposed to help with wrinkles and keeping out the static. And they also do help things dry quicker, I think. Ever since we started using them, we've been doing the same amount of like huge loads of jeans in the dryer, but they are taking a little bit less time to dry. So, you know what? I'll put an affiliate link for them in the box and talk about them in the group tomorrow. We like them. They're very inexpensive. And we have noticed less wrinkles, and we have noticed the jeans aren't taking as long to dry. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, use the comment section. It's there for you guys, and I do answer everybody. Go be productive. Go make some money. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Y'all are the best. Bye.